Hello 18, this is Tita Theta Pilar Pineda from Honolulu, Hawaii, and today I finally met in person the producer of the SB19 Simula at Wakas concert in Honolulu, Hawaii, and she's no other than Miss Nympha Ilagan. Here she is. The last time you only... There she is. Okay, so we'll be, let's see, I'll sit closer to you. Yeah. So we'll be talking stories and I'll bring up stuff that some of you have already asked me, and let's see if she can answer. Of course, I'm going to edit this because we might talk too much. And yeah, so actually we decided to meet because I'm hoping as a fan to help promote, of course, the concert of SB19 here in Hawaii because, you know, this is my turf. I don't want to be embarrassed.
Sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw na kaya maglista.
Ayaw ko mapahiya. Ang Hawaii, this is their first time to come here, and we hope that they will feel welcomed here and that they have actual fans here in Hawaii. In the beginning, I was doubtful because I don't really know how many fans are here, but they're slowly trickling in. And once again, I'd like to thank you for producing. Because it was always my dream that they will come to Hawaii. So now the work has to start, which, you know, she already started to do, which is promotion. Right? So I think you already heard that some of the comments were saying that, oh, why don't we try and get a hold of the two important or very popular Filipinos who live here in Hawaii to help us promote. So how is that going? Which is actually Bella Porch and Bretman Rock. So how far have you gone to try and get a hold of Bretman?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so Bretman, he lives here in Oahu. So honestly, hindi ko pa siya na-meet na in person. Alam niyo naman, celebrity, mahirap. Pero yung mother niya at saka yung anak niya, brother ni Bretman, and the wife and the mom, nag-sponsor siya sa food natin, yung meet and greet.
So when you say food, this is the food for the boys, for SB19, basically. Yun ang sila magpakain.
So upon arrival, di ba ang customary natin dito sa Hawaii kasi meron tayong welcome party.
Yes.
Which is pag sa artista naman, meet and greet with the sponsors. So, yun, hindi kino-contract talaga yun. Kasi depende. Sometimes kasi demanding artist, the day of the concert or prior to the concert, like the day before. Pero kino-converse natin yan sa mga promoter or sa artist din. So, first off, sa promoter, sabihin natin, ganito kasi sa Hawaii. Hindi pwedeng walang meet and greet. Lalo na mga sponsors natin, nakagawiran na. Na pag nag-sponsor sila, ang nasa mind na nila, meet and greet talaga. Pero yun,
so for now, do you have already like a timeline? Alam mo na when they're coming?
So, right now, wala pang nilalabas sa itinerary. But I know they will stay here at least maybe 4 days or 3 to 4 days. Ganun kasi sa natin eh. So, before and after, yun yung kinokontract natin sa mga artista. And 3 days is the minimum and 4 days is the max. Yeah, it doesn't matter kung sino mang artista yun. Basta yun ang standard na natin. So, hopefully...
And do they require that from you too as a producer? Or...
Yeah, either you like it or not.
Yun
talaga ang... Kasi darating sila, kailangan mag-rest sila. And then...
So that means they're not arriving on the day of the concert?
No, definitely not. No, hindi po. We try not to. Kasi nininervyos ka rin.
Plus, they have to practice. At practice sila.
Correct. Yes. So, kung sasabihin nila, arrival is the day of the concert, unless they are in California, so from San Francisco to ano lang naman travel yan.
Pero dito, flying. If something happens with the flight, changes.
Sometimes, nagbibilay mga airline natin.
Yes.
So, no, sabi namin, dapat arrival nila the day prior or at least yan.
So now you're kind of looking at, because nakagawian na, like you said, that there's meet and greet.
Meet and greet, yeah.
Does that mean there's a press, like a press conference, like you would invite some press to interview them?
Depende sa program natin.
Okay.
So kung gusto ng artist na may question and answer or mayroon tayong mga press or mga media na dadalhin mag-question sa kanila, depende rin. Kung gusto lang nila, kakain lang, mag-hi lang,
and then meet the fans.
Ganun lang ang setup. So depende rin.
So for now, hindi mo pa alam?
Wala pa. Kasi ang first na inano pa natin, yung marketing. Yeah.
Okay. So usually pag may meet and greet, does that happen in the hotel where they're going to stay?
Mayroon tayong mga special location.
Okay.
Na ginagawan kasi depende rin sa volume of sponsors. Sa sponsors, based sa experience natin dito sa Hawaii, ang daming nagsusupport talaga sa mga artists. Lalo na ngayon, SB19 yan. Ang dami talaga. Sa California na nga lang, ang dami natin sponsors.
Good. So, that's kind of nice to hear.
Yes.
Because that's one of those things that makes me worry.
Yes.
Dito sa Hawaii, kasi ayaw kong mapaya tayo.
Yeah. So, honestly, nung kinuha ko rin, last year ko pa ito nililigawan. So, please lang, may mga kaibigan tayong mga promoter na nagdadala ng artist. Kasi tayo producer tayo. May mga promoter din sa Pilipinas na dinadala yung artist sa So, I know one person lang ang pwedeng magdala sa SB19, which is from the Philippines, kaibigan din natin. So, sabi ko, please lang, pag SB19 nag-tour, bigay mo ang Hawaii. Idaan mo naman sa Hawaii.
Yes.
So I guess it's first time ng grupo sa Hawaii ko. Nakarami na yata akong
So, do you know I don't know how far have you already talked to their people if they're planning some kind of activity? Kasi sometimes may pinupuntan sila tapos nag-film sila ng music video. They should take advantage of Hawaii.
I know, yeah.
No? You should suggest it.
Nice places.
We can help them.
Diba?
I do know people that, they would do it for free. I know camera people. Yes, this one is mine and she has this. Thank you.
Ang dami natin pagkain. Ano na po kayo? Kain tayo.
Yeah, mine is trying to act like I'm eating healthy.
Ako naman nagda-diet pero not today.
Exactly.
Yes. So, ganun yung natin. So, we try, alam ko naman na ang babait ng mga bago.
Mabait talaga sila. They're accommodating, especially sa fans. They're very accommodating. So, I guess the program will be the same in a sense na if you're VIP, you have access like the sound check. Sound check.
Yeah. So, Hawaii is like after the show yung after the show. Kasi during sound check, gusto na nila mag-photo.
Okay.
So,
yung sa atin after everything.
After yung natin.
Yeah, kasi every time, ang alam ko nakikita ko sa ibang concert nila is always before. So Hawaii is after.
Yeah, sinubmit ko yun ang timeline natin na after. Since last leg naman tayo. So we have the, siguro, opportunity na pwede tayo.
So they will stay a little longer.
Yeah, wala na yung...
Kasi limited masyado yung before. Yes, that's true. But like you said, if it's after, wala nang stress.
Pero bibilangan pa rin tayo natin. Kasi may mga fans talaga na siyempre, ang daming pila pa sunod. So, sasabihin natin at least lang
over. may ano pa rin, mag-aayos pa rin. Kasi,
magaling yung...
Kasi the boys will never say no. Pero there has to be somebody who will direct the flow.
Para ano. Kasi, may gusto ko rin sa convention. Kasi wala naman tayong limit sa time.
Oh, that's good. Parang nakuha mo siya all the way to midnight or something?
Yeah. Pwede, may limit din siya. Based on the contract na babayaran mo. Pero pag nag-over naman tayo, syempre extra charges lang.
Yeah.
Pero as long as ano lahat, yung ma-accommodate lahat yung mga dapat magpa-photo. Hindi yung, tama na kasi lights off na.
That's
so,
that's generous of you.
Ay, hindi naman. Kaya lang experience na natin since ginagawa natin ito.
With the other.
May mga venue na gano'n. Which is hindi natin, ayaw natin mangyari. Pinanood ko rin yung documentary sa YouTube. Ito naman na lahat ng all those short stories.
Yes.
Pero natouch ako how this is.
Oh, yes.
And now, parang sabi ko, sige, paano ba mag-join ng 18? Pero sinasabi niya, ano 18? Sabi ko, sorry. Pero, just recently naging familiar.
Well, I'm glad that you're really interested to get to know them. Kasi, you know, you can do it as a business, but it's not the same.
Nag-connect tayo kay Sam.
Yes. So, that's a nice thing because at least Sam knew my story. Lagi ko siyang kasama. Siya yung big brother na pampers me with what I want. Like,
you are? Sabi niya, yes, sabi niya. Sabi niya, may sinabi siya sabi niya, ano naman ako sa iyo, very proud naman. Parang sinabi niya, parang saludo ako sa iyo. Sabi, so,
that's not easy. It's a big
kalaki yung pagtingin niya na nakuha natin.
Yeah, kasi
excited siya.
It was not easy. I've been talking to other people that you also know. Na sabi ko, sige na, produce yun na. I'm just pushing everybody. Tapos, ate, we have to make sure, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi feel nila, people here don't know. Which, that's why I was worried. That's why sabi ko, oh my gosh, we really have to promote it. Kasi ayoko yung mukhang kawawa tayo. Ganon, parang sabi nila, naku, Hawaii, ganon kayo. Damdam yung Pilipino dyan, hindi kayo nakakasupport.
Akala ko hindi nila kilala. So, kasi umuwi natutulog na. And I was amazed, nung pumunta ako sa isang restaurant, malaking restaurant, sabi ko,
you asked,
oy, manood ka ng ganito. Ay, SB19 ang hinintay namin, sabi ko. Pero nasa mind ko na wala na, makukuha ko na SB19. Sige, sabi ko, sa August 1st, kasi may date na that time, August 1st. Naku, nakita ko yung lang lahat kami dito. Sige, magsara na kayo. Sabi ko, this is the day, isara nyo that day, kasi manunod kayo lahat.
At least, dalhin mo sa doon mo sila pakainin. Hindi mabawala yung mga yun.
Ako, so sabi ko, madaldal rin.
Pareho ka.
Para masaya. Napasubo sa business na to na sabi nga nila, ano daw, yung bagay daw sa atin
ng business.
Kasi kahit hindi ko kilala.
At marami ka namang connections, so that's why it helps. Kasi pag wala kang connection, mahirapan ka talaga.
Ano na so far ang nagawa mo sa promotion para I can suggest other things that we can do?
Dito sa SB.
Or sa SB, oo.
So, ano ba sasabihin ko? So, ang usually kasi ginagawa ko sa production, which it works naman. So, pinapakaramdaman ko muna sa first 2 weeks.
Okay.
Or up 1 month.
Okay.
Depende. Kasi ito SB, malaki yung natin na mag-promote. So,
like time.
Kapag nilabas na yung
Kasi lang, yung ticket sales mo naman is soon. Paano yan? Hindi ka pa nakapag-promote ticket sales na.
Sa natin.
Kung yung ticket sale mo talaga is March 10, tapos hindi pa tayo nakapag-promote, paano yan? Hindi nila alam.
So, nag-promote na rin tayo sa Facebook.
Okay,
so,
Facebook.
Hindi ko pa na-print kasi yung poster, kasi yung full detail ng poster,
hindi pa kompleto.
Hindi pa kompleto kasi ang SB ang mag-a-announce. Pag nanounce na ng SB, may ticket price and everything, at saka yung website.
So you mean to say, baka naubos na lahat na VIP. Tapos, pag nung iba na hindi nila alam at nakita nilang poster, doon pala sila makakapagbili. So, general admission na lang sa kanila.
Sila ng SB19.
Okay, so yun ang ano doon.
Poster.
Ang dami nagtatanong. Ate,
Wala pa.
baka hindi na tayo makakuha ng ticket. Gumagano na sa akin. Nakaka-hyper na sila. Ay, wala naman akong sagot kasi sabi ko, I have to ask the producer. Sabi ko gano'n. So yun, yung sabi mo, March 10.
Hindi kami allowed na mag-take ng orders at payment.
Okay, so do they also tell you the guidelines on how to promote? Or bahala ka?
Yeah, bahala. Basta yung details ng ilalagay sa poster.
Oo, galing sa
ano,
kanila.
Pricing, at saka yung timeline ng program.
Okay.
Ako ang nag-forward sa promoter.
Yeah.
And then he will send it sa 1C.
Kasi I have so many ideas on how to promote it. Na we don't have to pay. But it's more like volunteer. Kasi okay, this is my inspiration. Ewan ko kung naabutan mo yun. Kasi nga, di ba sabi mo, you live in Washington and all that. There was a time na mayroong film or movie na low budget siya talaga. Pero grassroots talaga ang movement noon. And naging successful siya dahil community-based yung kanyang volunteerism lang talaga. So what they did is they kept in touch with yung mga film clubs in high school and colleges. And then, ay syempre yung mga young people, they're very, talaga nagpo-promote sila. Sabi ko sa'yo, that was so successful. That's the first time I watched a film because to support more than 5 times. Otherwise, I'm not the type na manood ng same film over and over again. Pero dahil you feel that tawag dito, parang
yung adaptation mo sa
yung you want to help. Kasi nga, gusto mong tulungan these young people. It's called The Debut. Tapos, naging very successful siya kasi nga, it's all about yung nag-support doon is community. So, parang doon ako na-inspire. Sabi ko, we can do that with SB19. The promotion. You don't need to spend money. Pag napaintindi mo sa tao, why they should support it. Dahil nga, they're the premier P-pop coming from the Philippines. And they're the one who really started it all. They would feel that pride and they would want to help. You know? So, yun ang dapat natin i-harness para you don't need to spend money.
Correct.
But then you will see, the support is there. That's why minsan hindi ko naman kilala agad. Pero sasabihin sa akin, I'm your subscriber. Out there, when I come to Hawaii, shit.
Parang ang daming nahatak yata from other state.
That's why gusto ko talaga magka-fan meeting the day before para magkita-kita
tayo ng sayaw.
No. Wala lang ko sumayaw?
Ay, ang gulo lang ako. Parang ako si Christian Bautista.
Oo, yung gulo siya.
Character ko yata yung sabi ko.
May nag-email, may nag-messenger, may nag-text, may nagko-comment.
Ang dami mong
Alam mo yung vlog ko, chine-check ko rin yung kasi may nagko-comment doon. Oh, how can I join your group? Ganon. So yun, sasagutin ko, make sure you're in Telegram so it's easier for me to add you on. Ganon. That's why minsan yung na-add ko, tag-isa lang, minsan naman tag-tatlo, parang ganon. So, I wrote down, my ideas. Let's see. I'll read it up to you and let's see what you would decide to do or not to do. Kasi you've been doing this so you know what works and doesn't work.
Dala niya talaga pati niya. Mas maalo pa siya sa producer. Kaya dapat producer pati
Saling pusa. Wala akong alam sa negosyo. I'm just doing this because I'm a big fan. I'm a crazy fan.
Kaya pa-sold out natin.
So, of course, na-mention ko na yung maghanap tayo ng mga volunteers na young and eager from the different schools. Tapos posters, that's coming, like you said. ito pang dapat anin natin. Pag makakuha na tayo ng volunteers, it's easy for us to ask them, can you call radio stations to, mag-request ng kanta ng mga SB19.
Bigyan na lang sila ng tickets.
Oo. Maski basta
yung yung NBI tsaka.
Tapos, Harry gave me a couple of names na they play a lot of K-pops. Baka pwede natin encourage na, can you play P-pop? Hindi lang K-pop lagi. This is, para bang, we have to kind of teach the volunteers na this is how you would tell them na, can you please check this out, this is the group from the Philippines. Ganon. So, radio station we should utilize. Need help? Ay, sorry. Okay. Posters, that's gonna happen. So, you're welcome. So then, so we're gonna try and figure out which schools have mga drama and music classes. Do you have connection with Chamber of Commerce?
Yeah, meron naman tayo.
Sino ba ngayon president? Yung Filipino Chamber of Commerce. Kasi Sam used to be si Harry naging president na rin. They're still part of it.
Yeah.
So, kung hindi mo madirect yung president, maybe you can ask Sam to help you. Diba?
Yeah, pwede tayo mag-reach out. I'm not sure kung si pa rin,
total Filipino naman. Sino pa bang magtulungan? Di tayo.
Tayo rin.
We're not asking from the other ethnicity. Tayo muna.
Tayo nag-ano.
Oo.
But yes, nagsusupport ang Philcom sa atin. Lagi natin inaano yung
Sino ba yung choice ng Philcom ngayon?
Pero si Shelly ang contact ko dyan. Siya yung general manager.
So if you need a space, you can easily...
Nare-reserve. Marami tayong pang events din na mga artists na ginawa rin niya. Nag-concert na din tayo dyan about times. Meron tayong isa this year. Last year, ginamit natin sila couple of times. So maganda yung rapport natin.
That's good.
Sa Philcom.
And may bulletin board sila that we can put your posters. Kasi maraming pumupunta dyan, di ba? May mga classes, mga free, sila dyan, community services. Baka pwede nilang mailagay din sa, meron silang sa online, tawag dito.
Website nila.
Yes. Baka pwede, like, just to kind of announcement. Yeah, kasi people check out those things
May fiesta sila. We can get one.
When is the Filipino Fiesta? Oh my gosh. Maybe, that's
Saturday.
Kasi diba, yun ang ginawa ko noon that we were hoping to bring SB19 sa fiesta. Not really, maybe to perform one song lang para magpakilala at that time. Pero nga, hindi natuloy.
Partner natin sa production na sila, mag-asawa, magaling din, and may connection sila sa military. So sila rin yung isa nating partner na magma-market din.
Oh, nice.
To reach yung military. So mayroon tayong mga different areas ng marketing din natin. Yun yung strategy natin.
Yes.
Community, yung association ng Filipino.
Yes.
Meron tayo taga-reach out doon. Meron tayo taga-reach out sa home care business. Meron sa construction. Meron tayo sa military.
Because I spoke to one of my co-workers sa CNA. Pero may mga din siya, may tarapan, matawag doon yung business
yung
taking care of patients. So, sabi ko, may organization ba kayo? Sabi niya, oo. So, dahil nang minensyon ko na yung SB19, inannounce na siya agad.
Yeah, in-announce.
Okay, so,
yung pinakamalaking poster home association.
Oo.
Ng 20.
Tapos
after ng announcement, talaga, darating sila sa maraming
that's good.
na interesado.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, akala ko hindi masyadong alam na rin pala.
Good. At sabihin mo, pag hindi nila alam, to check out so many
nag-work out talaga ako, nakakatawa pa kasi ang nangyayari na pag-producer ka, hindi ka nakakapanood ng show.
Yeah.
So siguro pupunta ako.
Nai-stress ka ba? Parang excited na nag-worry, parang gano'n.
Oo, pero ang worry ko, it's not much on the preparation. Ang worry ko, pag nag-start na yung sounds, Kasi
And
yung
if something
sounds,
goes wrong,
gusto ko,
scary.
oo, scary.
Yes.
So, pag narinig ko na yung sounds na okay at maganda,
Doon ka pala
okay
makapag-rest.
naman lahat ever since. Doon na tumutuloy yung luha ko. Sabi
Like,
ko,
yung pagod ko.
oo, doon na ako na ano talaga. Napipil ko na this is it.
Curious lang ako dahil you've been using convention centers. So, yung mga
This is my second time.
yung sa sound, okay. Yung sa sound, sila din doon. Yung
No, mayroon tayong sarili
vendor.
Kasi walang
Wala
mayroon
sila.
silang in-house.
Okay.
Siguro, hindi ko ginamit yung yung in-house.
Oh,
Kasi gusto ko rin mabigyan din ng business.
ang ibang Filipino din ito.
Filipino din.
Ang pangalan, makakilala ko
So
din.
marami tayong mga pinag-ano ko sila, pinagsasalin-salin ko kasi siyempre business yan.
Oo.
Medyo rin
Para pagbigyan mo rin ng iba.
pagbigyan mo rin. So meron tayo si Joel, meron tayo si JR.
Na-meet ko si Joel.
Si Joel.
Oh, that reminds me. Do you know if they have dancers? May backup dancers ba sila?
I know na sa mga shows nila may dancers sila.
Yung punta ko sa LA, wala silang, sila lang.
Sila lang.
Pero it's like, alam ko kung gusto nilang magkaganon. And then I was thinking, yung past na mga concerts na nakita ko, na from Philippines, they hire local dancers para hindi na magastos. I'm okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So,
Hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko pa matapos that point.
kasi I'm sure yung boys, they're very perfectionist. Gusto nila best talagang maibigay nila. Maganda. At, lalo na ngayon ang mga bago nilang kanta, a lot of dancing. Kawawa naman pag silang lima lang ang sasayaw. Dapat may backup dancers.
So, pwede natin itanong yan later on.
Ang tanong mo, para naman yung mga locals dito na hindi sila kilala, biglang they have to get to know them.
Good, kasi last leg tayo. So, pag nag-perform sila sa California, alam mo na kung ano yung mangyayari, yung
Ano ko dito. So, Philippine organizations, you have that. Ito pa, I was wondering how we can tap them.
How are tourism?
Kasi, I feel like, kung sila mismo ang mag-promote na welcome, wala silang, they don't have to spend money. All they have to put out in their website maybe is, we welcome the, blah, 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 whatever background people from the Philippines, SB19. That's a big deal already. Diba? Announcement lang yun. All they have to do is type it in their website.
Pwede rin siguro sa airport.
Yun.
Sa airport, siguro pwede tayong magyaya ng hula dancers.
Pagdating nila.
Tapos meron na yung ukulele. Diba?
Short lang yun, pero matutuwa sila. Kasi dapat iba talaga ang reception natin. Welcome.
Yung welcome natin.
Dapat sana, we will talk to the hotels na makapagbigay sila ng konting promotion. Kung pwede lang sana. Like, even just a small amount of discount, that's a big deal. People will choose that, lalo na, for example, when they arrive, and then, in the bedroom, merong picture doon ng SB19. Parang big deal na yun sa fans. Like, may isang box na chocolate. Ganun. Diba, konti lang yun.
Philippine Consulate. Yan yung i-coordinate natin.
Ito talagang pinaka-importante kapag it needs to be coordinated.
Kasi some very close sa Philippine Consulate. Although may makilala din tayo.
Oo. I actually will be sending a letter to them, pero based on, as a fan, kung papayagan tayong doon mag-fan meet sa hall nila sa likod. May hall sila, di ba? Pero, sinanong ko si Harry, sabi niya matagal na raw hindi ginagamit. I think after the pandemic, parang they don't allow anymore mga party-party doon. Kasi noon, some organizations would use it. So, we already talk about the local celebrities. Ayan, television.
Yeah, so, television, kausapin ko yung isa kasing presidente ng association, which is the Filipino Community Association. Siya ang presidente at the same time. Yata siya nasa television siya.
Yeah. Naintindihan tayo. Ay, manood ka ng SB19.
SB19.
Oo, siya yung producer.
Ano yun?
Concert ng, hip-hop. Tingnan mo sa YouTube. They're so good. Oo, from the Philippines.
May concert dito sa
Hawaii. August 1. I have a lot of time to learn about them.
Yung mga concert, minsan yung friend ko nag-organize. Ay, ewan ko anong ginagawa. Kumakanta rin kasi Noy Nicole po. Friend ko.
Ako si Nimpa.
Yung pa.
Ito yung kasama producer na, pinaka-show producer.
Yeah.
Saka
Yung
sa
Sarah Bamboo.
kumanta sa
Ako rin yung producer.
Kumanta yung kaibigan mo. This small world.
Magaling siya mag-better.
So, punta ka ha, SB19.
Hindi na nila mama.
Hindi kasi gusto na niyang ma-clear daw.
clear na.
So then, ano
Kasi
pa ba?
nga yung Campus yung pinakamagaling kong seller.
Talaga? Tingnan mo, small world kaibigan niya.
Tapos entertainer siya, magaling siyang kumanta.
Oo.
So, lagi ko siyang fan-up.
Basta huwag maraming masyado. Yung medyo baduy. Ay, sorry.
Ang lilas na namin.
No, not you. I'm just saying, nakapanood kasi ako ng concert. Tapos yung mga front act medyo baduy. Sabi ko, Maski anong kaganda o kagaling ng performers mo or artist mo, kung medyo sa labas pa lang nagkakagulo na, disappointed na yung tao, they're not happy.
Sa natin sa Sarah. So, sa aming mga producer, lesson learned yung mga
Yes. That's why, di ba, sabi ko,
magaling yung taga-handle ko, si Joyce, kung napapanood ni Joyce ko.
that's why,
Napaka-articulate niya when it comes to, sa registration.
all I'm gonna say is, there were times that, hindi na-handle ng maayos yun.
Oo.
So, yun ang makakasira sa concert.
Magaling yung co-producer ko when it comes to, sa registration.
Kasi dapat, comfort level talaga ng fans ang importante.
Wala ni isa kaming problema nung wala pa naman nag-action natin.
So, yun lang. That's why, like you said, it should always be a lesson learned. Para pagaling ng pagaling kayo. Hindi yung, parang panahon ni Kopong-Kopong ko So, are you planning to do your banners and streamers?
Yes.
Okay.
Pag kompleto na yung posters natin.
Let's say, marami ka nang nakita doon ng mga posters ng politicians. So, that means that place is parang nakagawian na nila na they will see something there. Kasi ako, if I see an area with a lot of those at nakatigil yung sasakyan ko, binabasa ko talaga ito isa-isa.
Totoo yun. Kasi sabi niya, bakit hindi namin nalaman? Kasi sometimes hindi sila aware sa social media.
Yes.
Sa TV.
Because not everybody is. Yes. Tapos isa na rin yung politician. So anyway, I already talked to Harry kasi sabi ko, can you, kasi naganda na ko nung ginawa nila sa San Francisco last time, na yung City Council ata ng San Francisco gave a citation to the boys, the SB19 day. Parang gano'n. Sabi ko, dapat magawa natin sa Hawaii para maganda. Kasi that will happen pag nandito na sila, if that ever happens. Pero gusto ko mangyari yun sa boys.
So, dali natin sa...
And then, of course, pag i-coordinate natin sa Philippine Consulate, they should go and visit the Philippine Consulate. Dapat may reception sila doon. Diba? Kasi that's what they usually do when they go to different countries. Pumupunta sila sa Philippine Consulate.
I-coordinate natin yan. Ang tayo kaibigan din sa
So, we already talk about welcome at the airport.
Ayan. Airport.
And then, I wanted the lighting at the local tower. Kasi mura lang yun. I think $75. Pero you can do it for like a week. So, para...
Galing mo
Ang dami ko talaga pautot.
Hindi maganda nga. Hindi ko alam yan.
Yeah.
Lighting of Aloha.
So, yung lighting, you can choose the color. Of course, you have to use their official color, which is light blue. So, basta, I'll ask Harry, kasi he did that for our church, our anniversary. And then, I think it was for several days na naka-on yung light doon. So, tinanong ko siya, can anybody do that? Of course, sabi niya, you just pay a certain amount, not so expensive. Pero what it is, syempre, yung mga fans, pag alam nila, magpa-picture sila doon. Stuff like that. Like, early afternoon, makita mo na yung Aloha Tower with the lighting.
Signature yun.
Oo. So I was thinking, you know, if that we could make that happen, maybe a group of 18 can go there, post picture dun sa harap. Malay mo, the boys can stop by. Ito, I don't know kung magastos ito, pero light posts, banners.
Banners.
So instead of, di ba we're talking about banners, ilalagay mo sa mga community. I think maganda rin yung nasa poste.
Nasa ano siya.
I don't know, we just have to find out how much are they and if how involved that is. I mean, just a half a block. Ilan lang ng mga poste, basta malagyan mo sa banners. Di ba? Pag makakita yung mga tao dumadaan, kasi if you do that ahead, maybe less, like within half a month before the concert, ano to? Diba? Is this like a celebration of the state?
Parang nangyayari ba?
Tapos yung area na malapit dun sa convention center, doon natin ilalagay. So, alam mo na, and then, is that Atkinson?
Ano ba yun?
Yes.
Ano yata, Atkinson yun?
Yeah, the road that leads. So, maybe half of Alamwana, then Atkinson, parang ganon, that leads sa convention center. O, di ba, pag may mga banner doon, ano to? Di ba? Ganon, maka-curious sila.
Ano along the road? Yung sa ano? Pwede ba ito?
Kung pwede, titingnan natin.
Tingnan natin. Press conference.
Oo. Yun ang, you were thinking maybe it would, kung pwede siya during meet and greet, pero na-approve na. Oo. Ito yung sinasabing SB19 Day at the City Hall. Di ba maganda yun? Yeah. Local business
So, baka
promotion.
yung day at the City Hall, baka after na yan.
Oo.
Kasi pandamig nila.
Yeah. Kasi it depends on how much time they have left. They have to rest and they have to practice.
Yes.
Do you have, did they ask you to look for ballroom, I mean, what do you call those? Studio? For practice? Usually, yun ang ginagawa nila eh.
Hindi ba? Tingnan ko kung ano, yung saan sila manggagamit.
Magtingin ka na kasi they might all of a sudden tell you, oh, we need a studio to practice.
Pero yung convention, pero ko naman yun ng 2 days.
So they can actually practice in that.
Okay. Sa convention.
Okay, that makes sense.
So,
at least it's the actual place where they're gonna perform para mas comfortable sila. Oh, ito. Kasi you said you have a lot of souvenir. You have a lot of sponsors. I think a souvenir booklet, pwede mo siyang ipagbili kasi fans would buy it. And it doesn't have to be costly. Maski just to pay off the printing. Pero maganda may souvenir sila. Tapos pag let's say they're in the front, tapos i-gano nila sa voice, signature, yun ang pinaka-importanting ano nila.
Sinasabi mo yung parang book na
parang magpunta ka sa mga
sponsors.
Yes.
Okay. Kung sino yung mga nag-sponsor.
Oo. So,
nice.
at least,
ginawa namin
diba noon matagal ginagawa. Yeah, ginagawa noon pa, pero parang people stop doing it anymore.
Naka 43 pages yata kami at that time.
So ngayon, yung gusto mag-sponsor, let's say, you pay for this page, di ba? Para nandun yung ano niya, business niya.
Yung business mo.
And then, ito, sa fans, okay, maski $5 lang.
$5.
They would pay for it kasi kung ano yun, may souvenir sila pa uwi. Imagine, mag-fly sila dito, tapos wala silang iuwi na.
Hindi ka lang pala pang marketing, pwede ka rin pang ano.
Pang ano?
Pang business na ano. Combination ano.
Mataba lang utak ko.
Ayan, gusto ko na rin. Ibenta tayo ng 400 na tigto $5.
Diba? Bakit magkano ba lang
sa mga ano?
$5? Mahal pa nga ang Starbucks drink.
Diba?
But anyway, I was thinking if even if that's not gonna fly, if you're not gonna do it, I will do it anyway. For my giveaway.
Giveaways?
Wow.
Kasi alam mo nung sa mga 18 lang, mag-member na ako. Actually, I feel like
so funny. Would you believe nag-interview na ako sa radio station noon?
Ay, kasi namin na rin kita. Sabi ko, nagpunta na rin pala siya sa QNBI.
Hindi mo alam kung anong pinagagawa ko. Parang pinagtatawanan na nga lang ako. Yung anak ko, pag kinakwento ko yung SB19, umano na yung mata niya, nagsusurit na.
May nabasa nga ako. Ewan ko, nabasa mo rin ito. Sabi niya, pakipatay mo na nga yan. Sabi niya, nakakasawa na yung yung tugtog mo. Tapos ang sagot naman isa, ako nga nagsasawa na sa'yo, hindi naman kita pinapatay. Diba? Parang something joke. Something na joke na nakakatawa yung mga nila.
True. But I must say that you have a good personality. Dahil yung iba medyo supladita, hindi naman approachable. So, bahala ka sabay mo dyan. Bibili lang kami ng ticket. Pero ikaw you're so available. Yun na. That's why I don't know why. Parang tayo forever.
Parang